This morning, the College Board released more information about big changes to the SAT. My name is Ann Dolin, and I'm the president of Educational Connections Tutoring and Test Prep. My staff and I have reviewed these changes along with the sample test that was also just published. There are many changes, but there are some big ones that you should know about. First is the scoring. Currently, there are 3 sections: critical reading, writing, and math, and students can earn a total of 2,400 points. But the new test is going back to the 1,600-point scale, which includes 2 sections only. Math will remain a standalone section, but critical reading and writing will be combined, and that's going to be called evidence-based reading and writing. The essay is going to be optional on the new test, whereas right now it's required. There's also going to be no penalty for wrong answers. Currently, students are deducted a quarter point for each incorrect answer. But most importantly, the new SAT will better reflect what students are learning in school. The biggest criticism of the current version is that it tests content not relevant to students, such as abstract vocabulary and esoteric math concepts. So the big question is, why did the College Board, who makes the SAT, decide to change in the first place? Well, the ACT has been taking over market share. Beginning last year, more students took the ACT than the SAT. Its popularity has grown tremendously, but the College Board wants their market share back. This morning, when they released the sample test, we reviewed it and looked specifically at the questions, and we noticed that a lot of the questions are very similar to those found on the ACT. So, it's certainly true that competition is likely a big factor in the changes that you're going to see on the SAT. Now, the question is, what grade level of students do these affect? It only affects kids that are current freshmen and younger, but if you have a child who is a current sophomore, junior, and of course senior, they will not be affected by the changes.